So basically, what this is saying, your performance score, it's really gonna have to do with all these apps you have. Because what's really causing this issue, you could see like the worst offender is this converted in one, two, and your theme.js. But this is something you can't really mess with too much. That's your main theme.js. But it's really just the converted in pixel, the TikTok, but it's not really bad. Um, what you could do is just see affiliate marketing. So, like, are all the apps you have installed, are you using every single one?
Now I keep only the apps that I'm using. There may be one or two apps that I may get rid of, but the others, no, I need, yes.
Okay. So it's always best to get rid of, especially on Shopify, like all of these apps, they really do add up. So I'm just gonna turn off. Oh, this one is actually right. It's actually locked into your. I'm gonna block it. I'm gonna block this one. Okay. Um, then we're gonna just take a quick look. What was I doing? Oh yeah. Okay. Look at it here. Okay. So by just blocking them, you got rid of that error. So it's not calling whatever that was. Okay, just to say. So uh, it's actually pretty cool. SEO King is actually the only app that does that, where like it lets you block these scripts. Um, so I don't know which app. You have an app called Convert In that's installed.
Yes, Conversion then is an app for sending SMS for customers.
Uh,
I'm
well,
going to check.
if that's all it does, you might want to get rid of it because it's causing issues. Now let's try to do the report again. Let's see what happens. Well, you can see that right away you got a performance increase of like 14% by doing that. Um,
What did you disable now beside converted in?
yeah, converted in is not disabled. Yeah, I was able to disable it through the app. Pretty yeah. So what's really cool about SEO King, it's the only app that lets you do
What
this.
is that? Are the handling this is converted in also? Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Well, they're both from the same URL. That's why I say that because it's both converted in assets. So looks like I don't know what add to cart handling is. You could try to turn this one back on. Maybe this one's not a problem actually.